It's late, it's late, it's late, it's late, it's late, it's late, it's late.
PhoneC, eat breakfast.
Sorry, I gotta go.
He's late again. Huh? Ooh.
What happened?
And I got up late.
You should have an alarm clock.
I'll make an alarm clock. Calm down, Cappy. Oh no, I'm late again.
Get up, PhoneC.
I set my alarm clock. I'll make another one. Oh my God! Aha! Aha! I got it! Yeah, I did it! Let's go, Martha! Hi, I'm PhoneC. In this episode, I created a special alarm clock because I usually wake up late. This clock was designed based on the domino effect to ring the bell louder. Thanks to the alarm clock, I can get up early and go to school on time. You should have an alarm clock to wake up early and not go to school late like me. Looking forward to the next episode to watch our new inventions. See ya!